how to rank your video high. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can rank your video high on YouTube. It is very important to rank your video high on YouTube because it gives you organic views. Your channel grows. If your video is ranked high, you start getting views and subscribers. To rank your video high, you must optimize it properly. You must do extensive keyword research before creating any video. You should add your keywords to title, description and tag. You should set up everything and upload it in a private mode. Leave it for a day. Your video gets pinged, then make it live next day. After making your video public, you must do social bookmarking and share your videos to all the social media sites. After some time, you will notice that your video got ranked. It comes up when you search for any particular keyword. I am a YouTube marketing expert. I can help you rank your video high on YouTube. Please contact me by clicking the link in the description. Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and press the bell button to get notified for new videos. Thank you for watching.